Chapter 8, Lesson 4, Volume of Prisms. Volume of a rectangular prism. The volume V of a rectangular prism is the product of the length, the width, and the height. It is also the area of the base times the height. So you can either do length, width, and height, or base times height, where the base is the length times the width. The volume of a three-dimensional figure is the measure of space it occupies. It is measured in cubic units, such as cubic centimeters or cubic inches. It takes 2 layers of 36 cubes to fill the box, so the volume of the box is 72 cubic centimeters. Let's look at example 1. It says find the volume of the rectangular prism. So all they did was length multiplied by width multiplied by height to get a volume of 60 cubic centimeters. In our example 1, it says find the volume of the rectangular prism. We know that volume is equal to length multiplied by width multiplied by height. 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 is 24. The volume is 24 cubic centimeters. Go ahead and try Got It A, and then resume this video when you're done. Got It A says find the volume of the rectangular prism shown. Has a length of 9.5, a width of 5, and a height of 3. Volume is length multiplied by width multiplied by height, so we're going to do 9.5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 to get 142.5. The volume is 142.5 cubic meters. Let's look at volume of a triangular prism. The volume V of a triangular prism is the area of the base, B, times the height, H. So base times height, it's the same formula as the rectangular prism. This diagram below shows that the volume of a triangular prism is also the product of the area of the base, B, and the height, H, of the prism. In example 2, it says find the volume of the triangular prism shown. So in a triangular prism, the base is the triangle. And so the area of a triangle is length multiplied by width multiplied by 1/2. So they do 8 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 1/2, and then they multiply it by 9 to get the total volume of this prism, which was 216. So example 2 says find the volume of the triangular prism. So we need the volume, which is equal to, so let's do base B is base is equal to length times width. And then we can do volume, which is base times height. Let's do base times height. And we'll say the volume is, and this will be our answer. So here's our setup for the triangular prism. Oh, the base on a triangle is multiplied by 1/2, so let's add that. So 1/2 multiplied by the length multiplied by the width. Our length, let's highlight these. So the length can be, let's do blue. The width can be red. And this is just to show you that these are the things that you have to plug in. So base can be green, and then the height can be, I think I saw purple in there, purple. So if our length is 7 and our width is 9, multiplied by 1/2, that gives the base an area of 31.5. So our base is 31.5 multiplied by the height, which is 10. So 315. The volume is 315 cubic meters. Go ahead and try got it B, and then resume this video when you're done. Got it B says, find the volume of the triangular prism. We have a length of, oh, I forgot to copy this again, so I need to add my 1/2. So the length was 4, the width was 5. That gives the base an area of 10. And the height is 7, so the total volume is 70 cubic inches. Let's look at example 3. It says, which lunchbox holds more food? Find the volume of each lunchbox, then compare. So in lunchbox A, they did length times width times height. They did the same thing for B. And they found the volume of A to be 281.25 inches cubed. Lunchbox B was 285 inches cubed. Since 285 cubic inches is greater than 281.25 cubic inches, lunchbox B holds more food. Example 3 says, the game Planet Bugs comes in a box with the dimensions shown. The game Fire and Ice comes in a box that measures 9 inches by 5 inches by 4.5 inches. Which game has the greater volume? So let's see, we need Planet Bugs and Fire and Ice. And for both of these, volume is equal to length times width times height. And let's do, so Planet Bugs is the picture. So 8.5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4. Fire and Ice, which has the same formula for volume, length times width times height, is 9 inches by 5 inches by 4.5 inches. So 202.5. It says, which game box has the greater volume? Since 204 cubic inches is greater than 202.5 cubic inches, Planet Bugs the Planet Bugs game box has a greater volume.